me, I believe this is the most beautiful job in the world because for sure you have freedom, you have autonomy, you are free to think. But I consider myself not as a researcher or not as a teacher. I think that the best word that characterizes us, we are educator.
What's very important to me, and I have my legitimacy from the passion that I put in my job. Every single day when I come to my class, I said, I want to make things change. I want to make this young woman and men become something different. And I want them to be in the society tomorrow, to do something and to have their full capacity of action.
They're a trust relationship, and that's what matters at the end of the day. A trust relationship where if somebody is late, well, it happens, and it's okay to accept it once in a while.
Being professor is, yes, you are giving, you are helping, you are trying to, but at the end, it's real. Perhaps it sounds romantic, but at the end, it's real. You grow, in the process, because when you give, you receive. What you receive, practically receive. Friends, for instance.
Que fait un étudiant? Il va vérifier que l'enseignant est effectivement expert dans le domaine qu'il enseigne. Ce qui veut dire que l'humilité, elle impose de se réapproprier bien évidemment les savoirs, de les actualiser. Alors en géopolitique, c'est peut-être encore plus vrai que dans les autres disciplines, mais également se réapproprier la manière dont on va faire passer les savoirs.
Le côté recherche, pour moi, est important. Pourquoi? Parce que ce n'est pas une histoire uniquement de légitimité, comme je le disais au départ, c'est parce que la recherche te permet de rester en permanence, vraiment update sur ce que tu vas raconter. Et ce serait dommage de ne pas s'intéresser à ça, parce que c'est le cœur des connaissances en matière théorique.
Everything is always changing, but in the good sense, we adopt new pedagogical, educational methods, so we are always moving. And all of this by keeping the quality and the friendliness.
We need e-learning with new technologies, with videos, maybe online tests, with interactive tests with the students. But I think that without the face-to-face sessions, the student cannot understand anything.
Dans l'enseignement, l'individualisation, ça peut vouloir dire de s'adapter aux besoins particuliers de chaque étudiant. Et je pense que c'est totalement et nécessairement compatible avec le collectif parce qu'on apprend bien en groupe et c'est aussi parce qu'on échange les individus avec des personnalités différentes qu'on se prépare à travailler mieux demain.
I teach students how to deal with human beings, and that's, I think, a very important thing to learn when you become a manager.
Adaptation means doing what has to be done to get a point across to generations that have learned on their new technologies to zap every 10 to 15 minutes. So if I have to stand on a table and sing and do a back flip-flop off the table to get their attention, yes, I will do it.